The Shillong Muslim Union unequivocally condemns the heinous act of terrorism which happened in Pehalgam. We express a deepest concern and solidarity with the people who lost their life in such an attack. Such an act of violence is inhumane, and we stand with the family. I must say out here that each and every citizen of the country should stand in grief with them. Here I must say, those terrorists have no religion, because I strongly believe that no religion teaches to kill. In fact, the very core teaching of Islam is to stand completely with peace, tranquility, and harmony. The teaching of Islam also says that if you kill or wound anybody without any reason, is like killing the entire humanity. Here, those terrorists have not only killed 26 people, but have killed the entire humanity or the human race. I would like to urge our beloved Prime Minister and Home Minister to take action, to bring those culprits to books and punish them in such a way that it will set an example for each and every one who, even in the wildest of dream, will not think of doing such an act again.